Hello and welcome back to another video of Handy Gifts. In today's video, I'll be showing you all how to make a flip name stand. So without wasting time, let's begin. So firstly, you'll need cardboard, which is a bit hard so that you can cut out accordingly to the names, and then you'll have to wrap it with color papers as I've done. I've used purple and orange here. So firstly, we'll have to write the name, or I have these stamps, alphabet stamps, so I'll be using this, and it'll be faster. So let me write the names on it, I mean stamp it, then get back to you. So one name is ready. Now let's begin with the second name. Done. Now let's start with the sticking. Be careful, see to that you stick it alternatively based on the name, or not one name together. It should be alternative letters, so be careful about that. So we are already halfway done. Only some of the decoration part is remaining, and also the right side space has to be filled. I'll show you how to do that, so let's go. So here you go. I have decorated the sides of the letters with the pearl stickers. As you can see, half pearl bead stickers. Now it's time to fill the right side space. So I've taken a square cardboard, and I wrapped it with green color sheet, and I've taken two stickers of the same type and stuck it together as you saw. And also I'll be using the block, that clear stamp which you saw in the previous video. So yes, I've used You Are the Best and also a heart clear stamp. This I'll be sticking at the right side, and here you go, it's ready. Just one more thing remaining is I have to stick it in a box, so let's do that. So this box, I got it from home. Obviously I had ordered something and I got it in this box, so I used it. I've got the front part obviously. So here you go, it's almost ready. I just have to fill the gap above the name. So we'll do that with some stickers. Before that, you just see how it has come out. So as you all can see, I've covered the remaining spaces as well with cute stickers, and our gift is ready now. So here you go. I liked it. I wanted to make this from a long time, so I made it today, and I just hope my friend likes it as well.
Hello again, I hope you liked the video. If yes, then do give a thumbs up. And also, if you are new to the channel, do click on the red subscribe button below, and also hit the bell icon so that you get to know whenever I upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.